What's up, guys? I think you're looking at my next project here. I think this is a 1980 Orange Flame Edition shovel head. It's all in pieces, huh? Belongs to my brother-in-law. Yeah, long story short, he took it to a shop to have some stuff cleaned up. Could never get a hold of him. Did a surprise attack. And the whole thing was in pieces. And yeah, he says he wanted to kill him. So he had him load everything in the truck. Took it home. This thing's been sitting in boxes on his shelves. And I want to put it back together for him. So it's pretty cool. All the pieces are here, I hope. He's got the frame powder coated and the swing arm. So I'm going to put it back together. Clean stuff up as I do it. It was running when he drove it there. So these handlebars are freaking cool. Oh, it's cool. It's going to be nice. So I've been looking at pictures. And I want to put it back basically stock. I'm going to start with the engine. I don't think this stuff's supposed to be painted in the pictures. I see this jug is painted black. And the rest of this stuff is aluminum. These are black. And I don't want to take the engine apart, but I'm going to see what I can do. Get that paint off there and get it back to looking good. So I've never done nothing like this, but it's kind of like putting together a puzzle. I've got a book right here. Yeah, it should be cool. Probably gonna have to repaint them fenders. That oil can. Paint that up. And the rest of this should shine up pretty nicely. So, here we go. Been working hard on this motor. Getting it cleaned up. I did a baking soda sandblasting all the paint off the rest of this. Polish the top. I'm going to polish this little piece on the side over here. And I got it setting in the frame and decided that I better do the black because it didn't look good. So that's done. Just one more little piece to polish on the other side. And gonna move on to something else. Got the motor done. Sitting in the frame is a tight fit. Tight fit getting that in there without scratching anything. So like I said, sandblasted. Got the black painted. This stuff has got clear on it, so it'll wash off. And then of course polished. Sitting on that nice fresh powder coated frame. Looks pretty sweet. So finally, I gotta find some bolts. Bolt that motor down. But finally, I gotta work on something else. Probably be the transmission. Yeah, and the rear end, stuff like that, I guess. There's the tanks. Supposedly those are gone, you can't get them no more. So kind of cool.